Okay guys, so quick video for you on how you can watch free NFL streaming and how to actually do it. So if you're gonna check the football TV, now when you're gonna have football TV, you can get a free trial here. And when you see right here, the try for free, this is the first sign of that you can actually like do for yourself. And is there 30 day? This Ultimate is monthly. The first 30 days are included as a trial. So if you can actually do is like you can get actually like a free trial for the football TV, and that way you can actually watch the NFL. It's putting me on the signing, but right here you can do it. Also, another one is a DirecTV free trial. So this is something that you can also try for yourself. So DirecTV for like stream packages. Now you can try it for free for like 5 days, and again you can have 5-day free trial. So for that you can actually like check the NFL games. I know it's like not completely free, it's a free trial, but I hope it's going to actually like help you, right? So these are kind of like the legal options on what you can do. And also you can check out like local TV listings to find out which games are broadcast for free through the antenna. So 506 Sports. This is like another thing that you can actually try to do, and maybe it's going to be beneficial. Or then you can also check out, like for example in the pub or like somewhere, a local place where you could go and get a like beer or something and watch it with others. So that's like another thing that you can actually try to do, and maybe it's going to be beneficial. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.